Have you ever wondered how the mattress you sleep on every night is actually made? From soft foam layers to strong springs and luxury fabric covers, mattress manufacturing is a fascinating process that combines comfort, technology, and precision. In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern mattress factory and show you the complete step-by-step process, from raw materials to the final packed mattress ready for delivery. So relax, and let's begin the tour. Our journey starts in the raw materials area. Here, the factory stores essential materials such as polyurethane foam blocks, memory foam, latex sheets, steel wire coils, fabric rolls, and adhesive materials. Each material is carefully inspected for quality, density, and durability. Only approved materials move forward to ensure the mattress provides long-lasting comfort and support. Next is the foam cutting section. Large foam blocks are placed into automated cutting machines that slice them into precise sizes and thicknesses. Different layers serve different purposes. Some provide softness, others offer firm support. Computer-controlled machines ensure every foam layer is cut accurately for consistent mattress quality. In this section, the mattress support system is prepared. Steel wires are shaped into springs and coils using high-speed machines. These springs are then assembled into spring units or pocketed coil systems, which help distribute body weight evenly and improve airflow inside the mattress. Now comes one of the most important stages, layer assembly. Foam layers, support cores, and comfort padding are stacked together according to the mattress design. Special adhesives are applied between layers to hold everything firmly in place. This layering process determines the mattress's comfort level, firmness, and durability. Once the mattress core is ready, it moves to the quilting section. Here, soft fabric is stitched with padding using large quilting machines. The quilted fabric not only adds comfort, but also gives the mattress its premium look. The finished cover is then wrapped tightly around the mattress core. In this stage, edge support foam is added around the mattress. This strengthens the sides and prevents sagging over time. The mattress is then shaped and trimmed to ensure smooth edges and a uniform appearance. Before packing, every mattress goes through strict quality inspection. Workers check stitching, size accuracy, firmness, and overall finish. Some mattresses are also pressure tested to ensure proper support and comfort. Only mattresses that pass all quality checks move to the final stage. Finally, the finished mattress is compressed, rolled, and vacuum sealed using packing machines. It is then wrapped, labeled, and prepared for shipping to stores or customers. This efficient packing method makes transportation easier and protects the mattress during delivery. And that's how a mattress is made, from raw materials to a comfortable sleeping solution. Every step in the factory plays a vital role in ensuring quality, comfort, and durability. If you enjoyed this mattress factory tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next factory tour video.